Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news. And we are not having any high impact news today into the market. So most likely we are going to have a safe scenario for trade. Let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from the strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we break below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame since the strong low was breached. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So currently, we don't have anything much clear here since we can see that the highs and lows are being swept by the market into the monthly levels. So let's move to the weeklies for a detailed picture. So this is the weekly chart we are having, and we can clearly see that the price was following an order flow from the upside direction, but we are having this unmitigated order block. So I'm anticipating the price to at least reach this order block. From where? So I'm anticipating the price to give a reaction from this zone and then move into the upside direction towards this order block. Else, if we are going to break this level, most likely we are going to go into the downward direction. So now let's move to the daily. But before that, what do we have here is we are having this weekly sweep into the market, and the price is responding from this weekly sweep and moving into the upside direction. So most likely I'm anticipating the price into the smaller time frames being bullish. So let's move to the dailies. This is the daily chart, and what do we have here is we are having this flip zone at this point, and we are also having a momentum slowdown. That means the high is being swept by the market. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction accordingly. But right here we will be able to see the momentum slowdown unless and until we are going to have a strong low break. We are not going to anticipate that the market is going to go into the downward direction. So let's move to the 4 hours. This is the 4-hour chart, and we can clearly see that we are having the high sweep into the market and we are having equal lows right below this area. So I'm anticipating the price to at least take these equal lows, respect this FVG, and then move into the either direction. That means move into the upside direction or the downward direction. But if we are going to break this low, most likely we are going to go and invalidate all these equal lows sitting into the market. So what I'm anticipating that we are going to respect this FVG and move into the upside direction, sweep the high again, and then we are going to move into the downward direction. So for now, let's move to the 30 minutes for a clear bias. It might be confusing. So this is the 30-minute chart, and what do we have here is we are having the New York session being swept by the market, and the Asia session is acting as a strong high if we are going to break this low right here. That is the Asia session's low. So most likely, if we are going to break the Asia session's low, the Asia will be acting as a strong high for the price. But currently, what do we have is we are having the London session. So I'm anticipating the price to at least take the Asia high and then move to the Asia low. Else, if we are going to take the Asia low, more likely we are going to take these lows too, since these all are equal lows, and we are going to have a reaction from this area over here, or maybe this unmitigated order flow. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating the price to at least take the Asia high and then move into the downward direction towards these equal lows. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.